Welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel, to the Kaspa community. Appreciate you guys, each and every one of you guys from the Kaspa community, for showing so much love. Exactly what we've been discussing, the new all-time high that actually did end up happening before the month of July came to an end. And as we know, today is the last day of the month. You're still seeing quite a bit of red across the board, because we did see some volatility within the price of Bitcoin, and of course everything is going to react to it, as we can see. But you are seeing Kaspa sitting at 3% a gain over the past 24 hours. It was higher earlier, but market did see a little bit of a shakeup. But wow, what an end, guys. What an end to the month. And if you've been following me on my channel, we've been having this discussion regarding Kaspa specifically, that we will see Kaspa hitting at new all-time highs, and that has happened. So shout out to the Kaspa community members. If you picked up Kaspa literally a month and a half ago, you are up almost double, if not already up double. So great stuff happening. Up 2.9% on the daily time frame. On the weekly time frame, it's up 14.1%, and last but not least, on the monthly time frame, it's one of the very few coins that is still up right now as well. But let's shift our focus towards the price itself, see what is happening, and of course what we could be expecting. Before I get into it, guys, as always, just a quick disclaimer for everyone: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So Kaspa is continuing to as much as speculation that it has to become the next big layer one. Of course, smart contracts have not launched yet, but I think the next few months we might hear something regarding that. And again, leading up to that, and the tech itself, people are really believing that this could be the next big layer one, and hence you are seeing so much interest right now, despite missing on centralized tier 1 exchanges. Still not listed. We still haven't heard anything, but you're still seeing so much interest. The fact that Kaspa is ranked at the top 25th spot right now speaks for itself. Up 2.6% over the past 24 hours, and also up 6.3% in Bitcoin comparative. Market valuation just shy of $5 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is at 161.5 million. Let that sink in, guys. A lot of people might not realize this, but you're seeing such high trading volume for Kaspa. Usually we don't tend to see that, because of course it's not listed on all the major exchanges, but you're seeing the volume picking up, and that shows how much interest it really has. So I'm very excited to see what the future holds for Kaspa. But yeah, what a ride it has been. I have of course missed out on this ride, as you guys know, but shout out to my viewers, especially the ones that picked up Kaspa late last year, guys. Literally late last year. So many people from my community have picked this up, so shout out to you guys. You guys deserve it. Love you guys as always. But let's take a look at what's really happening with the broader market right now, and what we could be expecting for the price of Kaspa going into August. So if you're looking at Bitcoin dominance index, it's at 59.97%, so pretty much at 56%. So dominance has been picking down, though. Dominance has been actually pulling down right now, and that is really good. Now you guys are probably wondering, Crypto ZX, why is it good? Because Bitcoin's also going down. Well, that's basically it. Bitcoin has seen quite a sharp drop within its price, and again, I think it's pure manipulation. You can see this for yourself. Bitcoin has seen a drop of about almost 10%, and remember, 10% is a large drop for Bitcoin. But I think manipulation occurring at its finest right now. It's really important how you react to this market momentum. But you are seeing Bitcoin pushing back down, and of course, we still close the monthly candle and was closed above $64,000, so I guess that is bullish. Still in this upwards trajectory, but if we go lower than $63,000, then this upwards trajectory that we have been in gets invalidated. So now that we have that clear out of the way as to what's happening with Bitcoin, let's shift our focus towards our good old friend Kaspa, because Kaspa broke out towards the all-time high, exactly what we've been projecting. You saw Kaspa for the first time ever see its price above 20 cents. We haven't seen that till yesterday, so really great stuff. And you can see this for yourself. Kaspa went up almost to 21 cents. If it was not for Bitcoin, realize this right now, if it wasn't for Bitcoin seeing this a little bit of a shakeout that we have seen, I personally think Kaspa could have continued to run more towards the upside, potentially even cross that 22 cents mark. You can see this for yourself right now. It's obviously in price discovery mode, but we're going to extend the fib level to the new all-time high. There there we are, and you can see this for yourself. We're pretty much at the neckline of the new all-time high. The market has seen a little bit of a correction, so one thing I want you guys to understand is that the correlation definitely exists. If you want to put this into perspective, we only have seen a move of about 2.38% towards the downside from its all-time high, which is nothing. So even after I upload this video going into the new month of August, we could potentially see a new all-time high for Kaspa. That's how bullish this momentum currently is for Kaspa, unless Bitcoin loses this support right here and we do see a Bitcoin retesting $63,000 again. Then obviously the conversation kind of switches. But overall, in the grand scheme of things, guys, look at this chart. This by far is one of the most bullish charts without a doubt, and you guys know on this channel I keep it 100% neutral, unbiased, and you can see this for yourself. Higher high, higher low. This does not require you to be an expert in technical analysis. The chart itself speaks for itself as to how bullish this momentum really is. And right now, even right now, the price of Kaspa is looking like it's wanting to break out. And shout out to everyone that picked up Kas back in May at 10 cents. You are already up 104% today. So this is the benefit of holding, doing due diligence research, having patience, because we went through some high volatility phase. But despite the high volatility within the price of Bitcoin, we still did not see these lows that we did see back in April. And again, this is the biggest thing that you want to take away from this, and this shows you how much momentum Kaspa really has. So let's shift our focus towards the hourly time frame to really understand what's going on. You can see this for yourself. All-time high actually did get retested 2 different times. But like I said earlier, Bitcoin volatility has kind of caused the price to kind of have a little bit of a shakeout. But I have no doubts that we do see Kaspa breaking out very, very fast because of the momentum that it's currently seeing. As Bitcoin price kind of stabilizes, I think Kaspa breaks towards a new all-time high. So shout out to each and every one of you guys that picked up Kaspa. And now, hear me out very, very carefully. Doesn't matter if you think Kaspa is going to go higher. Doesn't matter if you think Kaspa can go above $1 and replicate what Cardano did last cycle. I don't care what that means. What I want you guys to do is, if you're looking at your portfolio and the profits that you're making is just too much that you cannot afford to lose, a little bit of profit taking does not hurt. Again, that's just a little bit of a tip that I'm giving you guys. At the end of the day, you guys do what works for you. But what a beautiful setup, guys. I am expecting more upside for Kaspa right now. And of course, as far as targets go, you can't really predict where the price is going to go, because this is price discovery mode. The price can go as high as it wants depending on the buying pressure. Speaking about the buying pressure right now, it is much higher compared to what we are used to seeing. And again, shouldn't really be a surprise. We're pretty much at all-time highs. Pay very close attention to Bitcoin. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys are doing. I know Kaspa has changed some people's lives already, and shout out to you guys. You guys deserve it. Love each and every one of you guys. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys are doing right now. And if you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Share this video. Love you all. We'll see you guys tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.